Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will start question number 2, 6th bit, 7th bit, and maybe 8th bit if it is possible. So, question number 2, 6th bit is little bit different, but question is same. Solve the following simultaneous equations. We have to find the values of x and y, right? So, how to solve these type of simultaneous equations? It's not too much difficult, but a little bit different as compared to previous examples. So equation 1 is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. Equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Right? So first we have to remove or eliminate denominators from both the given equations. So how to remove denominator from both the equations? So if whatever number it may be in denominator, so we have to multiply throughout the equation by that number. It means we have to multiply equation number 1 by 3, right? Multiply equation number 1 by 3, right? Throughout the equation, we have to multiply by 3. 3 into 1 upon 3x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 10 upon 3. 3 get cancelled. This 3 get cancelled. What remain? X plus 3y is equal to 10 only, right? So this is new equation form, that is equation number 3. Now we have to multiply equation number 2 by 4 throughout the equation, right? Multiply equation number 2 by 4, right? So 4 2s are 8x. Directly I am writing 4 2s are 8. This 4 2s are 8x plus this 4 will get cancelled. What remain? Y only is equal to, in right hand side, this 4 get cancelled, like same 11 as it is, right? So this is our equation number 4. Now see the equation number 3 and 4, very easy like previous questions. So if we have to eliminate x term, then we have to multiply equation number 3 by 8. If we have to eliminate y term, then we have to multiply equation 4 by 3, right? It's depend upon us which term we have to eliminate. So we will make the coefficient of y same. Again we have to multiply equation number 4 by 3. Why we have to multiply the equation 4 by 3? To make the coefficient of y is 3 in equation 4. So 8 3s are 24x plus 3 into y, 3y. 11 3s are 33. This is again new equation number, that is 5. Now check equation number 3 and equation number 5. Here 3y, here 3y. Signs are same, that is positive. If the signs are same, then we have to subtract both the given equations. I am writing subtracting equation 3 and equation number 5 to eliminate y, right? So I am writing equation number 3, that is x plus 3y is equal to 10, and equation number 5, 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. 24x plus 33y, sorry, 3y is equal to 33. What we are doing? Subtracting. Yes, x minus 24x minus 23x, because 24 is bigger. Here 3y get cancelled because this is plus 3y and this is finally minus 3y is equal to 10 minus 33, yes, minus 23. 33 minus 10, 23, but sign of 33 is minus, that is bigger, that's why it is minus 23. Minus minus get cancelled from both the sides, therefore what remain? X is equal to 23 upon 23, therefore value of x is equal to 1. After cancelling 23 ones are 23, 23 ones are 23. Now we have to find the value of y by substituting x is equal to 1 in any one equation. So we will substitute in equation number 4. So put x is equal to 1 in equation number 4. So 8 as it is, in bracket we have to write the value of x, that is 1, plus y as it is equal to 11. 8 ones are 8 plus y as it is equal to 11. We have to find the value of y, so we have to change the side of 8 to right hand side. So what remain on left hand side? Only y. 11 as it is, 8 become minus 8. Therefore y is equal to 11 minus 8, 3, right? Therefore our answer, that is, we called it as solution set x comma y is equal to, value of x is 1 and value of y is 3. So this is our solution set, or we can say answer. Understood, students? Okay. Now we will see next bit, that is bit number 7. That is again different as compared to other examples. Different but not difficult. Understood? Bit number 7 is 99x plus, directly I am starting solution, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. This is our equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. This is our equation number 2. Why this is slightly or little bit different as compared to other examples? Because here coefficients are bigger, coefficients are large numbers, right? So we cannot make their coefficients same by multiplying. For example, if we have to make the coefficient of x same, then we have to multiply equation number 1 by 101 and multiply equation number 2 by 99. So coefficients will be bigger, so it will be difficult to solve those type of simultaneous equations. So in this type of example, the method is a little bit different. So we have to add both the equations or afterwards subtract both the equations, right? You can subtract first or add afterwards, or you can add first or subtract afterwards. So I am adding equation 1 and 2. Equation number 1, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499, and equation number 2, 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. 101 plus 99, 200x plus 101y plus 99y, 200y is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10. So this is 1000. Again coefficients are bigger, right? So we have to remove these bigger numbers. So divide throughout the equation by 200. So we can write it as dividing above equation by 200, right? So 200 will get cancel. What remain? Only x plus y is equal to 1000 डिवाइड बाई 200. x और y कैसा है यहाँ पर? 200 के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 200 है, 200 के नीचे यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में 200 है. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर डिवाइडिंग थ्रू आउट द इक्वेशन बाय 200. सेम 1000 के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 200 रहेगा. 200 1 जार 200, 200 5 जार 1000. गॉट इट स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस इज आवर न्यू इक्वेशन नंबर, दैट इज 3. ये इक्वेशन को भी हम कोई नंबर देना चाहते हैं तो दे सकते हैं, और यहाँ पर लिखना पड़ेगा डिवाइडिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 3 बाय 200, बट ऐसा भी लिखे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. नाउ एडिंग हमने कर लिया है. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ द गिवन इक्वेशंस. नाउ subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. From 2 means 2 में से 1 को subtract करना है. Means which equation we have to write first? Equation number 2. 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. And equation number 1, 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Minus minus minus, because we are doing subtraction. Yes, 101x minus 99x, only 2x. Here plus 99 minus 101, because final sign of 101 is minus. So 101 minus 99, 2, but minus 2, because 101 is bigger. So minus 2y is equal to 501 minus 499, again 2, right? So now we have to divide this equation by 2. जैसा यहाँ पर इस इक्वेशन को डिवाइड किए थे हमने 200 से, वैसे ही इस इक्वेशन को थ्रू आउट द इक्वेशन वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय 2. डिवाइडिंग अबव इक्वेशन बाय 2. सो हर टर्म के नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 2 रहेगा. सो 2 गेट कैंसिल. व्हाट रिमेन? ओनली x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 2 के नीचे 2 है डिनोमिनेटर में, 2 1 जार 2, 2 1 जार 2. व्हाट रिमेन? ओनली 1. सो दिस इज अवर इक्वेशन नंबर 4. तो ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड करने पर हमको मिली थी x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 5, और यही दोनों इक्वेशंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर मिली x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 1. एक बात याद रख लीजिए, बहुत से बच्चों को मतलब कंफ्यूज रहते हैं और मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. कभी कभी दोनों इक्वेशन प्लस में आ जाती है कुछ स्टूडेंट्स की, और कभी माइनस में आ जाती है. तो याद रखिए इस टाइप के एग्जाम्पल में एक प्लस में रहना है इक्वेशन और एक माइनस में रहना है, राइट? सो नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड these two equations, equation number 3 and equation number 4. Adding equation 3 and equation number 4. So equation number 3 is x plus y is equal to 5, and equation number 4, x minus y is equal to 1. If we are adding, then which term will we eliminate? y term, right? Because signs are opposite. अगर हमको x कैंसिल करना रहता है तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ता था. यहाँ पर एडिंग कर रहे हैं इसलिए कौन सा टर्म कैंसिल होगा? एलिमिनेट होगा y टर्म. सो x प्लस x 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So value of x is 3. Now put the value of x is equal to 3 in equation number 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation number 3. So equation number 3 is x plus y is equal to 5. In place of x I am writing 3 plus y as it is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 as it is. 3 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, राइट साइड आकर माइनस हो जाएगा, -3. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3 2. Therefore our answer, that is solution set x comma y is equal to x is 3 and y is 2. You can check our answer whether our answer is correct or wrong. Put both the values in equation number 3. X is 3, y is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. We get right hand side. So understood all of you students? दो अलग अलग टाइप के एग्जाम्पल्स आज हमने देखे हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 6 वो भी थोड़ी बहुत डिफरेंट थी. मीन्स याद रखो जो नंबर डिनोमिनेटर में रहेगा उसी नंबर से हमको वो डिनोमिनेटर ख़त्म करने के लिए उसी नंबर से थ्रू आउट द इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. रिमेंबर दिस, जब वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में इक्वेशंस आ जाएंगे. और यहाँ पर हमको ये मेथड क्यों अप्लाई करना पड़ा? क्योंकि यहाँ पर कोएफिशिएंट्स बड़े थे, नंबर्स बड़े थे. सो वी कैन नॉट मेक ईजिली द कोएफिशिएंट सेम. बना सकते हैं, सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, आंसर सबका करेक्ट आएगा, लेकिन ये मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे तो ईजी जाएगा. एंड लास्ट बिट इज सेम एज 7th bit. So this is your homework, 8 bit, right? Thank you. Have a nice day.